Hello everybody, today we are going to show you very nice, decent single family detached house, less than 400k, in beautiful area of Kissimmee in Orlando, close to the park. It has double car garage. It's 4 bedrooms. We start with living room, big open concept, high ceiling, double car garage as I mentioned. Dining table, dining area, kitchen area with island. Very interesting open concept. Family area, family room. Beautiful backyard with oversized pool. The community has very small little HOA fee, just $32. Bathroom. Bedroom number 1. All bedrooms come of course with closets. It's required a little bit touch-ups, but generally house in very decent condition for this budget. Closet. And last but not least, we have huge master bedroom. And master bathroom. Double sink, big walk-in closet. Toilet. The house can be easily rented long term or short term, would give you much more flexibility. If you're talking about shorter rental, so we're looking for $150 to $200 per day. For longer rental, depending you rent it with furniture or not, looking from $2,500 to $3,000. For more details, you always can visit us at floridaforcanadians.com or go to our Facebook page, Move to Florida from Canada. Thank you.